Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Lifestyles with Ajike Williams. And it's more than just a good afternoon, but it is afternoon here in North America on the East Coast. So good afternoon and good evening wherever you might be in the world. And it might be good morning too, depending on where you are in the world. So welcome back to my channel, and let me not forget, I want to tell all the women from around the world, wherever you are, happy International Women's Day. So we know that girls rule the world. They may not recognize it, but we do. So, as my title said, today, come with me and let's clean my pots, at least the bottoms, the copper bottoms of my pots. And the reason I thought of doing this particular video, because when people come to my home and they come in my kitchen and they see my pots and they have copper bottoms, they say, oh my gosh, they look so beautiful, how do you keep them? So if my friends can come to my kitchen and ask me that, I'm sure a lot of you women out there who have copper clad bottom pans, pots and pans, you would love to have them out where you can display your beautiful pots, but because they look so dull and look so horrible, you don't want to display them. So I'm going to show you today what I use so that you can bring those pots and pans out, display them if you so desire, because some people don't have the desire to display their pots and pans. But if you do, you can bring them out and you don't have to be ashamed of them at all. Everything in one's home should have not only value, but it needs to be maintained so that it looks as new as possible, because that's what I love. I love my things to look brand new. That's why I always take care of them. No matter how old they are, they can still look brand new again. Now, before we jump in, let's do a little housekeeping. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like it, thumbs up on it, and also put some comments down below in the comment section so that I can converse with you. And what I'm using, I will list it and where I bought it down in the description box. So let's get started. I'm first putting on my dishwashing gloves, and for this task you'll want to do the same thing, because I would say this is pretty harsh. Okay, what we're using is Barkeeper's Friend, and it's Superior Cookware Cleanser and Polish. So I'll bring it up to the screen, guys, so that you guys can see it. And where did I purchase this? I purchased this at Marshall's. How much did it cost? $2.49. So that's a little bit of money to keep your pots and pans clean. So here we go. This one, I'll bring it up to the screen so you can see. This one is pretty much, it really needs a good cleaning. So you guys see it, and let's get started. I'm just using a regular sponge to clean. That's it. And I'll put some hot water. I use hot water because I like using the hot water. And then just shake. And then here we go. I'm gonna put my dishcloth underneath. And like my auntie used to say when I was a little girl and had to scrub pots, she used to always say, use that elbow grease, meaning the strength here. So that's all you gotta do. Use a little elbow grease and your cleaner, and you will get results. And guys, after this video, I'm going to be doing another video. So if you see me in the same clothes, it's because I'm trying to work smart these days if I can with my videos, so that I can get where I need to go. So if you like what I'm doing and you like my channel, please help me grow my channel. Subscribe, that would help me out greatly. Share out my videos, that helps as well. And of course, like my videos, that helps awesomely good. So I've had these pots, I'm sure I've had them about 20 years. I'm almost certain that I had them about 20 years. And when I bought them, I bought one piece at a time because they were quite, at that time, they were quite costly. Well, as you know, inflation occurs and everything goes up. Nothing stays the same. So I guess you would say 20 years ago, they were expensive. They're nice and heavy as well. The brand is Copper Lux, which I'll bring up to the screen. And then we also have the plate here on our handle. Just clean that off as well. I just love having everything clean. Yes, I would love to have some of the updated equipment and appliances, but we're praying on that, so we'll get there. We shall get there. But in the meantime, and in between time, it is more important to take care of what you already have. And for those of you who read scripture, God always wants us to, He watches us to see if we can handle what He's already given us. And if you can't handle what He's given you already, then He's not going to give you anything anymore until you can take responsibility for what He's already given you and show Him appreciation. So that's the way life is. And so learn to take care of what you already have. Now I'm going to show you the magic of what we just did. Now, I didn't have to really scour out the inside portion of my pot. I just basically wiped it down, really, just a little bit. And then, wow, voila. Now this is so great, guys, because when you start cooking, who does not want to cook in a pan like this? I mean, come on now. It makes you feel good, ladies, that when you take that pan, whether it's on a rack on the wall, or you store your pots and pans in your cupboard in a pull-out shelf, you want to see that they look gorgeous. Now, look at that. You see that? Look at that. That's what that cleaner did. Look. Now you guys saw what the back looked like. Now you see what the bottom looks like now, as well as the sides. So, voila. Ta-da! Ta-da! So, on that note, guys, that's all I have for you today. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, come back and visit often, share out my video, and if you like this video, thumbs up on this video, and what? I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Bye.